Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Vidya Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary School. Today we are going to practice on song Chum Chum from movie Baghi. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first paragraph is for girls and here is the first step. We have to do the step from our right leg and tap it for 3 times on air and take wave like this, and same with the other leg. Next step is we have to open our hands like this. You can see the hands and repeat this step 4 times. And with that we have to jump to both sides one by one and both steps together. Next step will start from the right side and then left side. Chum, chum, chum. Chum, chum, chum. For the next step, we have to open our left hand and use right hand for the head step and then join the hands. And take waves 4 times with both hands. Then put your left leg in front and take 4 steps backward. And now both the steps together. Next, close hands to right side and open hands to left side. And take wave from right hand and move left to right. And the next step, cover your eyes with both hands one by one like this. Then put right leg in front and left leg in front. And with that we have to move our hands like this. For the next step, use both hands and do this step for 4 times. And use right leg first and then left leg, and you have to do these steps for 4 times. Next step is you have to take 4 to 5 back steps. Next step will start from this hand position. 1, 2, 3, and for the 4th step you have to take turn to the right side. And next step you have to take a round like this. Next step is the hook step of the song. For the step, first see the leg step. We have to start the steps from right side with right leg, and after every 3 steps we have to change the hands position to head and then on waist. After this you have to kick right leg and then again take a round and repeat all the hook steps. And now this paragraph is for boys. For this step you have to cross hands like this. You have to use your right hand and the leg step start from the right side. And while doing this step you have to move back like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, take jump to the right side and left side, and don't forget to pump chest. Next step will start first to left side and then to right side. See the leg steps and hand step. After this, you have to take a slide like this. Next, jump to the right side and move shoulder, and again to the left side. Next step will start from the right hand and then same with the left hand. Next, point fingers like this and take 4 steps back. Then take step to the right side first and then left side, and cross legs and take a round.
Raindrop bouncing, my heart is announcing you got to take me away. Let's start jumping, my heart goes pumping. I love you in every way. धड़कनों पे बूंद जो गिरी.
Then again the turn of hook step, leg step will be same, and for the boys hand step will change. And girls will repeat the same step. Girls will take the round and boys will do this step first to the left side and right side. And repeat all the steps.
जो गिरी.
तो नाचो आज छम 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 मैं नाचो आज छम 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 छम.
Next step, join the legs and move to the right side and then to the left side. With that, you have to take waves from left hand first and then same with the right hand. And the last, put your hands back and first jump to the left side and then to the right side.
छम 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 छम. जुल्फों से बांध लिए बादल, सीने पे से उड़ने लगा आंचल, मुझसे नैना मिला के मौसम होने लगे पागल, सबसे होके बेफिक्र मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 छम. Yeah.
Raindrop bouncing, my heart is announcing you got to take me away. Let's start jumping, my heart goes pumping. I love you in every way. धड़कनों पे बूंद जो गिरी.
तो नाचो आज छम 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 छम